Hello all, this is Priyanka and you all are watching Organizopedia. From today onwards, I'm planning to start this new room makeover series which is Ghar Sundar Budget Ke Andar.
Rumors when the truth is lost. I never stood a chance. We all think the dark knows, so we put life in their hands. Belief comes from all.
So basically, if I will talk about my previous videos, I have already covered like every corner of my home regarding, how to style this corner, how to decorate this room makeovers and whatnot. So I thought for my videos also, this is the right time for me to explore other people's home, and through my videos, you will get some ideas like how to convert your house into a beautiful home. So basically, आप YouTube के ऊपर आजकल बहुत सारे ऐसे room makeover videos already देख रहे हैं. But why my videos are going to be different? First, I'm going to strict myself with a very tight budget. Second, क्योंकि मुझे DIYs बहुत पसंद है. So you are going to see lots and lots of DIYs in this whole series. So what is the idea behind this is, अगर आप DIYs करते हैं तो आप ऑलरेडी अपने आप को वैसे ही बहुत सारा पैसा सेव कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज आपका लेबर कॉस्ट कम हो जाता है. आपको बाहर से चीजें लाने का जो एक एक्सपेंस है वो कंप्लीटली आप सेव करते हैं जब आप कोई चीज अपने हाथ से बनाते हैं. एंड सेकेंड फॉर मी, वो जो एक सेटिस्फैक्शन होगी मेरे पर्सनल टच की किसी और के घर में, वो मेरे लिए एकदम अल्टीमेट हैप्पीनेस होगी. सो आपको बहुत सारे DIYs जो हैं वो इस सीरीज में देखने के लिए मिलने वाले हैं. सो पहली चीज कोई भी हो वो बहुत स्पेशल होती है. सो फॉर दिस वेरी फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ घर सुंदर बजट के अंदर, आई चोज दिस रूम बिकॉज इट बिलोंग्स टू माई यंगर ब्रदर. और आप जब किसी अपने के लिए कुछ करते हैं तो वो जो खुशी होती है वो दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन एवर डू और गिव टू योर लव्ड वंस. सो मेरे लिए वो खुशी बहुत ज्यादा थी. व्हेन आई सॉ द एक्सप्रेशन ऑन देयर फेस, इट वाज द अल्टीमेट हैप्पीनेस फॉर मी. So this is the room where we're going to do the makeover. There are few things already in this room. So here in front of this wall, a wooden trunk, square shaped wall shelf. This bed is entirely new, and behind the bed there is this PVC wallpaper. So we are going to remove this wallpaper and we will paint this wall in blue color. This color is from Asian Paints Royale range in matte finish. The color code, as you can see, it's mentioned here in the video, and for the same you can check the description box below. We have painted the wall. Now let's move ahead right opposite to the bed. The square shaped wall shelf was quite bulky. So we're going to remove it from here and instead we'll put the floating shelf, which will give the illusion of bigger space. So we have plenty of woodwork going on. So I got these wooden plank cut, simply spray painted it in golden color and used this simple L shape or L putty hooks to hang them on the wall. This will open up lot of space, and as I said, the illusion of bigger space will be created. So this is a small study corner, and if you don't want to get it done through a local carpenter or wanted to save some time, then definitely order them online. Here I have ordered few floating shelves. These are quite small in size, and specifically I got them to keep single plant while I fix them on the wall. So now I want to share a very smart trick which I did this time while I was shopping, these online home decor stuff for this room makeover. I saved a lot of money. Save भी नहीं बोल सकती हूँ, मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि मैंने बहुत सारा पैसा जो है वो earn back करा है, यानी कि cashback बहुत हुआ है मेरी हर परचेज में with the help of cashkaro.com. So basically cashkaro.com is India's biggest cashback website. इनके पास में बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन रिटेलर्स एसोसिएटेड हैं, मोर देन 1500 प्लस. एग्जाम्पल Amazon, Flipkart, Azio, Myntra, Mamaearth and so on. All the products which you're going to see in this video, सबके जो लिंक हैं, प्रोडक्ट लिंक हैं, वो नीचे आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे. Click on the product link and tap on this orange button. Sign up on Cashkaro. And now click this orange button. You will be redirected to the specific product on Amazon. You can use any payment method, even COD. Just purchase the products with free cashback from Cashkaro. It is that simple. You will get the same products with extra cashback that you can transfer to your bank account or use as an Amazon gift voucher, which can be used on your next purchase at Amazon. अगर आप भी मेरी तरह हो तो definitely do check Cashkaro. On the left of the study, we have this space and we are going to create a small sitting area. Initially, there were quite few things in mind, like to get a chair, table, settee, trunk, bench, so many things. And fortunately, we visited this local scrap market and got this settee from there for just rupees 1100 after a lot of bargaining. And my carpenter did all the fixings jahan bhi damage tha, and our new settee is ready. From the same market, we got all these things also, like wall decor and stuff, but some of them were damaged. And as I said in the starting, this series is all about budgeting DIY and saving. So here we are doing all the fixings and repairing, paintings and all. And here comes the favorite part, which is decor and placing the soft furnishing. Instead of putting decor in the center, this time I chose to play with odd number items all in one corner to create an interest area. As there was space constraint, I picked this simple side stool as a bedside table, decorated it with few but essential. Here, as you can see, I used this sleek night lamp, kept it on one corner of this stool. A photo frame on the other side of the stool, a golden flower vase, and for the time being I kept this plant on it. A rug on the floor and the chevron print bedsheet, which is grey and white in color. This is my brother's room and boys love superhero kind of stuff a lot. So I added this Avenger print cushion covers. Again, check the link for them if you want to buy them. Then please do check the Cashkaro's link in the description box below. On these floating wall shelves, I added few books, some small decor items like plants, candles, and we are done. Now to add the functionality to this study table and for decor also, I kept few things which were already there, like a pen stand, iron aeroplane, and our study table is also ready. So there is this wall which is a very small wall on the right side of the study table. So instead of keeping it, as it is or an empty, I decided to put these, vintage car frames. Isn't these frames are looking beautiful? You can even use these frames to decorate your living area. And in the same way, I have ordered all these home decor stuff from Amazon only. And if you also wanted to become a smart shopper like me, wanted to earn some extra free cashback on every online purchase, be it kitchen, home decor, electronics, fashion, anything. For that, click on the first link in the description box below. Make your account on Cashkaro. Once you made your account, just search for Amazon or any website of your choice. Click on this orange button and then tap on Visit Retailer. This will directly take you to the website of your choice, and once when you are there, just shop as you would normally do. Add the product to the cart and make your transaction. You can utilize any coupons or discounts that are going on the site. After placing the order, check the My Earning section of your Cashkaro account where the cashback or the reward will get reflected. Cashback will be in pending and will get confirmed in few days if you don't cancel or return your order. And here I want to share a very important thing कि Cashkaro's money is a real cash, यानी कि जब भी आप 250 का जो एक threshold है उसको क्रॉस कर लेते हैं, मतलब when you have more than 250 rupees in your Cashkaro's wallet, you can transfer that money into your bank account or convert it into Amazon or Flipkart gift vouchers. So हुआ ना एक बहुत ही स्मार्ट तरीका अपने घर के लिए जब आप सामान ला रहे हो तो उसके थ्रू आप कैशबैक भी अर्न कर सकते हैं. As I told you in the starting, we are going to do lot of DIY. So here it comes. So this basically is a wooden carving wala photo frame. I have removed the back side of this frame and painted it in blue color. So this blue color is also the leftover paint from the accent wall. And here on this wall, which is right in front of the bed, I'm going to hang this frame. Now if you don't have such carving wale frame, then don't worry, you can very easily get the moldings from a hardware store or even make it with the help of cardboard, and whatever shape you want to give, a square, rectangular, whatever size you want to, you can do it entirely. It is up to you, whatever color, size and shape you want to keep for this particular DIY. And now I got these butterflies from Amazon. So this basically is 3D butterfly. With the same packet you get this two-way tape or adhesive just to fix them. And this is how a pattern I'm going to make. I'm going to just simply fix these butterflies. Some butterflies I'm going to keep it out of the frame and some I'm going to keep inside the frame, just to give an illusion of a 3D wall art that butterflies are going out of the this wooden carving wala frame. तो हुआ ना ये एक बहुत सुंदर सा और सस्ता सा तरीका आपके वॉल को DIY की हेल्प से डेकोरेट करने के लिए, एंड वो भी टाइट बजट के अंदर. एंड दिस इज हाउ it was looking. And then simply I kept a plant on it, and I have covered the settee with the help of this runner which was there in the room, in the house only, and our sitting area was also ready. Simple, beautiful and elegant.
Rumors when the truth is lost. I never stood a chance. We all think the dark knows, so we put life in their hands. Belief comes from on a line, but that belief is never questioned. 'Cause it's easier to believe what's in front of you than what is behind the words spoken. Samuel said we're suspended in disbelief, but Simon said believe. Simon said, please believe me, we're so needy. That's why you'll fool you on your own. We believe it, it's so easy. Belief is needed 'cause it's all you know. It's not only lies that I advertise here, but hear the right words, you're all in, 'cause you just did what you were told. You're always the consumer if you consume what is yours. Mind what you know, internal gauge, without sense of self, we're all easily swayed. Please believe me, we're so needy. That's why you'll fool you on your own. We believe it, it's so easy. Belief is needed 'cause.
So this was a small room makeover video, and I try to strict myself with a very tight budgeting. And for the same, we did a lot of DIYs, revamped old furniture, बहुत सारा जुगाड़ लगाया, and we made this room a little more happening for my younger brother. So उसके साथ साथ हमने बहुत सारा पैसा जो है वो सेव भी करा है और बजट भी बहुत बनाया अच्छी तरीके से. एंड इस बार बहुत सारा मनी ऑनलाइन जब मैं शॉपिंग कर रही थी होम डेकोर का, मैंने बहुत सारा कैशबैक भी जो है वो अर्न करा है with the help of cashkaro.com. So आज दिखाए हुए इस वीडियो में, and if you like any of the products you want to shop for them, then please do check the link below in the description box. And शॉपिंग करते करते थोड़ा सा कैशबैक भी आपको अर्न करने मिलेगा from cashkaro.com. So I really hope you guys liked this today's video. If so, then you know the drill. Share, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. और भी ऐसे ही budget friendly makeover videos के साथ में. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.